What's up guys, and welcome to a brand new episode of Call Me Crazy. The madness is official. Xiaomi is looking to beat the best in the race to the ultimate glory. The age of 5G is coming. We'll see the Galaxy S10 Plus with 5G. LG is also working on it. Huawei is also bringing 5G with their upcoming P30. Everyone is gearing up, but it seems like Xiaomi has done it already. Today, Xiaomi Spain has officially confirmed that its new Mi Mix 3, the third generation of one of the most popular and the earliest killer of bezels, will now be 5G ready, which makes this phone the only phone to have this capability as of now. And not only that, the Mi Mix 3 is also coming with 10 gigs of RAM. 10 gigs of RAM. You hear that, Google? 10 freaking gigs of RAM on a phone is definitely an overkill, maybe a future-proof thing, but 6 or 8 is fine, but 4 is not fine at all. So exciting part here is obviously the 5G. We'll come to that later, but apart from this madness, the phone is also coming with some pretty exciting stuff. So design-wise, Xiaomi has always tried to go with the bezel-less look. We always see a beautiful, almost bezel-less design, but with some kind of chin. They tried their best, but it was never completely futuristic bezel-less thing. Now the Mi Mix 3 is finally getting its full screen bezel-less look thanks to a compromise that we have already seen with the Oppo Find X, a compromise with the durability, but it's giving you that futuristic look thanks to the motorized cameras. So motorized cameras are here as well, and honestly, it's way better than having a notch design, plus it's futuristic as hell. I'm really glad that they're doing something different and going for this bezel-less look and not putting the notch on their phone, because in 2019 the notch will get outdated, so I'm glad that they have done something different. Other than that, it's probably going to have dual cameras on the back. You'll have fast charging. There will be no headphone jack as it was dropped in the previous model. So apart from the design, the another most interesting thing again is being 5G ready, which makes this phone future-proof because 5G is going to pick up its pace next year. So compared to all the flagships that we have right now, none of them are 5G capable. So that's that. Now 5G, how? I'm sure this phone is not having Qualcomm Snapdragon 8150 that we're going to see on the Galaxy S10 as well as on other phones, because we talked about it in the last video that Qualcomm is still playing with the early versions of it, so it's impossible that this phone has this chipset already. So in that case, it means that this phone is still coming with Snapdragon 845 like the other current flagship phones, but with a newer modem. It will most likely be the new Qualcomm X50 modem that we're also going to see on the next generation Qualcomm 8150. But adopting it right now with Snapdragon 845 might cause some overheating issues because 5G needs some serious cooling system to work with. So if it's gonna rock 8150, then that means it's not going to come this year. It's probably gonna come in January. Again, we'll see how they'll manage that. Right now, there is no carrier support for 5G. It's a work in process. The carriers are working on it. It is expected that next year will be the rise of 5G. Either way, this phone is looking very interesting. A killer bezel-less design, a 5G support, 10 gigs of RAM, and all of this will get officially announced on October 25th, which means next Thursday, we'll see world's first official commercial 5G smartphone. Anyway, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, what you think about this Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.